Master the art of conversation. Using fillers appropriately. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to focus on a topic that can really help you sound more natural and fluent in your conversations. Using fillers appropriately. Fillers are words or phrases that we use in our conversation to fill in the silence while we think or decide what to say next. But there's a trick to using them right. So let's dive in and learn when to use fillers. First, we need to understand what fillers are. Fillers are words or phrases that we often use unconsciously in our conversations. These include words like like, you know, and phrases like, I mean, kind of, sort of, and so on. While these words might not have a lot of meaning on their own, they can play a significant role in conversations. They can help to signal that you're thinking, show hesitation, add emphasis, or make your speech more casual or conversational. Now that we understand what fillers are, let's move on to when to use them. Remember, using fillers can make your conversation seem more natural, but overuse can lead to sounding unsure or incoherent. 1. When you're thinking. The most common use of fillers is when you need a moment to gather your thoughts or decide what to say next. It's better to use a filler like or rather than complete silence. 2. To add emphasis. You can use fillers like really, just, or actually to add emphasis to your statement. For instance, I really enjoyed the movie, or I just can't believe it. 3. To signal hesitation or uncertainty. If you're unsure about something, you can use fillers like I guess, I suppose, or maybe to express your uncertainty. 4. To make your speech more conversational. Sometimes, using fillers can make your language more informal and friendly. For example, using like or you know in informal conversations can make you sound more approachable. The key to using fillers effectively is to find the right balance. Too many fillers can make you sound unsure or unprepared, while too few can make your speech sound overly formal or rehearsed. Practice listening to native speakers and note how they use fillers in their conversations. It's a great way to learn and understand the rhythm and flow of natural spoken English. That's all for today's lesson on using fillers appropriately. Remember, fillers can be a useful tool in conversation if used correctly. They can make your English sound more natural, conversational, and relatable. But don't overdo it. Practice and listen to native speakers to understand when and how to use fillers effectively. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this lesson useful. See you in the next one.